Do you want to have a glowing skin? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to control your blood sugar level? Or do you want to control your blood pressure? Or you want to boost your immune system? Come closer. This is for you. This fruit is called the star fruit. I don't know what you call it in your own side. This fruit is, the scent is amazing, like, and it tastes really nice. Very, very nice fruit you should include in your routine. If you want to live healthy, please consider this. This is so hydrating and it's a high source of vitamin C and it's a high source of fiber and potassium. So we're using this star fruit, we're mixing it up with our pineapple. So let's make it into a juice. You can take out this out of it first. Let's cut. You get it. The star, like, it's so yummy. So refreshing, like, so hydrating, so refreshing. I've not seen it like this.